We're coming to you live from our studios here at MS24. Welcome to MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena. Now coming up, Parliament approves 27.4 billion expenditure for the first quarter of 2020. Also coming up, Special Prosecutor Martin Amidu completes probe on the Japan royalties. Now to the details. Parliament has approved government's request for 27.4 billion for the first quarter of 2021. The approval comes 2 days after Minister of Finance Ken Ofori-Atta presented a request for the expenditure in advance of appropriation to Parliament. Presenting the report to the House, Chairman of the Finance Committee, Dr. Mark Esibe-Yeboah, provided details on how the government intends to utilize the money, as well as some economic indicators. He noted that the total debt stock as at August stood at 267.7 billion Ghana cedis, representing a 69.7% of GDP. Dr. Esibe-Yeboah also assured the Finance Committee that the House has they have thoroughly examined the request as backed for funds by government. Now, the government expects the fiscal deficit situation to improve to 8.3% in 2021. Now, let's do some more stories. The Office of the Special Prosecutor has completed corruption risk assessment on the Japan royalties deal and forwarded its recommendation to the Office of the President. Now, this was made known in a press statement dated November 2nd, 2020, and signed and issued by the Special Prosecutor, Martin Amidu. And now Mr. Amidu explained that the report was completed on October 15, 2020, and forwarded to the Office of the President on October 16, 2020, as well as the Minister of Finance, Ken Ofori-Atta. Now, the letter added that his office will be concentrating on any potential of the said transaction on suspected corruption-related offences and advise government accordingly. Now let's look at some other stories. Uber Ghana has shown appreciation to its top drivers and partners for their loyalty and exceptional customer service. Now, at the just-ended campaign rolled out by Uber to recognize and also encourage good service, several drivers were shortlisted for an award. Now, the country director for Uber Ghana, Jessica Poku, reiterated Uber's commitment to safeguarding the welfare of its driver partners. My colleague, Fred Adaikwati, has more in this report.
Ghana has awarded its loyal driver partners in a competition dubbed Uber Joe 2. Uber rolled out a competition to recognize and appreciate the loyalty and encourage good customer service among driver partners. The country manager of Uber Ghana, Jessica Poku, at the event explained the need for such competition.
This competition actually started late last year during the period of the year of return. We wanted to ensure that service was high at this time, and the award ceremony has been belated because of the pandemic, actually. So these drivers showed consistent excellence when it came to acceptance rates, cancellation rates, the ratings, which is the feedback the rider gives us about how the driver did as far as service, and then also the number of trips that they were doing, which shows their dedication to the platform. We believe that when drivers succeed, Uber succeeds as well. Which is why we're so happy today to be giving away 2 cars to very deserving drivers who are part of our community.
The award prizes range from total fuel cards, mobile phones, Samsung 40-inch flat-screen TV sets, among others. Joseph Mante won one of the grand prizes of brand-new Suzuki car, when some Tetete and Nim also drove away with a brand-new Suzuki Alto.
We want to show our appreciation by presenting Mr. Joseph Mante with this car.
The two shared their experience with the Uber app with MX24 business.
It hasn't been easy though, but it has been so good. I never thought of from zero to hero today. Now, I was driving 208 Vate, and I'm here to drive a 2020 Suzuki.
It's time to look at the performance of the cedi against the major trading currency. Now let's shift focus to the US dollar, which is selling at 5 cedis 71 pesos, with a 0.01 differential for the buying price at 5 cedis 70 pesos. The pound sterling with a selling price of 7 cedis 39 pesos, with also a buying price 0.01 differential, selling at 7 cedis 38 pesos. The euro pegged at 6 cedis 67 pesos for the selling price, with 6 cedis 66 pesos for the buying price. Japanese yen pegged at 0.05. Now let's shift focus to the commodities market, where gold prices witnessed a marginal increase of $9, now selling at $1,888 per ounce. Also, cocoa showing some significant decline of $15, now selling at $2,290 per metric ton. Crude prices pegged at $37, with almost a $1 decline. So these are the figures to rely on those within the financial sector looking to conduct business. That's it for MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena. I'm here. Keep watching MS24.